Hello you amazing potatoes, and welcome to a video that has nothing to do with gaming whatsoever. Well, I do have some side projects once in a while, and one of these is, well, let's just say I'm doing a basking for my turtle. And I decided to do it out of acrylic, and I had some old acrylic sheets lying around. This is actually a door from an old cabinet, and I decided to share with you guys how I cut acrylic. Like I said, this is a door from an old cabinet, and it doesn't have that protective film that most new sheets of acrylic have. So what I'm doing is I'm using some masking tape to help me prevent more scratches than it already has while I cut it down with the jigsaw. I roughly measured it in the beginning, and then after applying the masking tape near the area where I wanted to cut, I'm measuring again, this time to draw the line from one side to the other of the acrylic where I want to cut, to serve as a guideline of course. I'm using an old piece of wood and a clamp to secure the acrylic to the workbench. Noted that in the future I will be using a larger piece of wood, and I'll probably use some other pieces of acrylic of the same height on either side of the sheet I want to cut, just to secure the clamps in place further away from the cutting area. As for the cut itself, when cutting these kind of sheets of acrylic or even plexiglass, you'll need to keep an eye out for heat, because the blade will heat up the acrylic or the plexiglass. And I actually found out a way of doing the cuts without heating it up and melting it away. What I did use was, as you can see, some dish soap. So you spread the dish soap evenly across the area where you want to cut, and I did discover that it was a good idea to also apply it once in a while doing the cut, because it's going to evaporate really fast, or it's going to get tangled up in the bits and bits you cut. So it's always good to have some dish soap around, and don't do the thing I did. Don't spray some dish soap on top of a moving blade. That's stupid. Please don't do it. But still, it's a good way. Dish soap is a nice way to keep the blade cool, although it is kind of messy. Believe me, in the end, you'll be cleaning everything up with a lot of gooey acrylic pieces with dish soap. But it's a good way to get a clean cut without melting the acrylic. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful at least. If you did, leave a like, and leave in the comments if you want to see me do more of these in the channel. Thank you. Bye.